Number 1. 1985 Nissan King Cab, price $10,000, rust-free classic showing 191,000 miles. It features a manual transmission, tan exterior, and gold interior, powered by a reliable gasoline engine. While not a show truck, it's a clean and solid driver that has been lowered and fitted with polished 15x10 Enkei wheels and new tires. Recent maintenance includes new brakes, rotors, upper and lower ball joints, and a new alternator. The original interior remains clean and crack-free, enhanced by a JL audio system with 4 6x9 speakers, tweeters, 2 amplifiers, a 12-inch subwoofer, and an Alpine head unit. All lights, gauges, and even the clock work perfectly. With no leaks or issues, this King Cab runs excellent and stands as a genuine, well-maintained classic that's ready to drive. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This truck is a freshly built classic that perfectly blends timeless style with modern reliability. Having traveled 168,000 miles, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck stands out with its bold red exterior and sleek black interior, both of which highlight its confident, head-turning presence on the road. Recently, the Silverado received a brand new motor, ensuring smooth and worry-free performance. Its freshly applied paint gives it a brilliant, like new finish that captures the spirit of the classic square body style enthusiasts love. With powerful performance, striking looks, and dependable craftsmanship, this truck is ready to roll and guaranteed to draw attention wherever it goes. Number 3. 1991 Dodge D250, price $7,500, powered by a 360 engine paired with an A518 overdrive transmission and a Dana 60 rear axle with 4.10 gearing. Originally fuel-injected, the truck was later converted to a 500 CFM Holley carburetor regulated by a Holley pressure regulator after the owner experienced issues with the wiring and computer system. The conversion was completed neatly, and the truck no longer relies on a computer. It now features an HEI ignition system and a new voltage regulator, ensuring strong and reliable performance. The D250 has low mileage and runs and drives exceptionally well. It's equipped with a Class 3 hitch and wiring, making it highly capable for towing. A fifth wheel plate and rails are also installed, further enhancing its utility for heavy-duty hauling. The matching tires are in excellent condition with great tread, and the truck has been freshly serviced for the next owner. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000. This truck shows 91,000 miles and is powered by a 350 small block engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering classic power and control. It sports a beige exterior and interior, rides on 15x8 rally rims with good tires, and runs on gasoline. Recent upgrades include a new 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, Kenwood Bluetooth stereo, for new Pioneer speakers with fresh wiring, seat and steering wheel covers, alternator, master cylinder, front passenger side brake caliper and brake line, and a new battery. It also features 30-inch glass packs, giving it a deep, classic exhaust tone. Combining timeless style with mechanical and interior updates, this C10 is a dependable and well-kept vintage pickup. Number 5. 2000 Ford Ranger, price $8,995. With only 101,000 miles on the odometer, this small pickup has been kept in excellent condition, both mechanically and cosmetically. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, it offers a blend of classic style and practical performance that appeals to truck enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. This Ranger is powered by a durable and fuel-efficient gasoline engine, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission that delivers a confident and responsive drive. Inside, the XLT trim provides a comfortable and functional cabin, featuring power windows and locks, cloth seating, cold air conditioning, and cruise control. The chrome bumpers and well-preserved body give it a timeless, rugged appearance that embodies the spirit of a true Ford truck. With its strong engine performance, comfortable ride, and dependable build quality, the 2000 Ford Ranger remains an ideal choice for daily commuting, light hauling, or weekend adventures, proving that good care and Ford engineering truly stand the test of time. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $10,000. This truck is an automatic, 4x4 custom deluxe 20 HD fleetside model, finished in sleek gray with a black interior. Powered by a strong V8 engine and running on gasoline, it features dual fuel tanks, a new exhaust system, a rebuilt carburetor, and a recently installed motor with less than 10,000 miles on it. The truck has been lifted, giving it a bold stance and enhanced off-road capability. The current owners are the third caretakers of this classic Silverado, and they note that with a little vision, it has great potential to be beautifully restored. According to the original invoice available for review, this truck retains much of its authentic character. While there is some surface rust around the doors and in areas where the paint and clear coat have thinned, along with a few dings and scratches typical of its age, the vehicle still runs well and remains a solid example of a vintage American pickup with timeless appeal. Number 7. 1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, powered by a modern LS swap engine that delivers both reliability and performance. This running and driving project truck sits on staggered 22-inch wheels and tires, giving it a bold, aggressive stance. While the truck is fully operational, it still requires some finishing touches. It needs rust repair and a fresh coat of paint to restore its exterior, as well as proper gauge installation or a digital upgrade to complete the dashboard. The steering column shows a slight wobble and would benefit from adjustment, and the headliner needs to be installed to finish the interior restoration. The Chevrolet comes with a blue rebuilt Texas title, making it a solid foundation for anyone looking to complete and customize a classic American pickup with modern performance upgrades. Number 8. 1997 Ford F250, price $8,000, reliable and powerful truck with 294,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior, powered by the legendary 7.3L diesel engine known for its durability and towing strength. The truck has been used to haul trailers all across Washington, proving its dependability and solid performance. While the driver's door must be opened from the outside, and there is a small tear on the driver's seat, everything else functions as it should. Included with the vehicle are a toolbox and a brush guard, adding both practicality and rugged appeal. Overall, this Ford F250 offers a strong engine, dependable performance, and useful accessories, making it a great choice for anyone in need of a hard-working diesel truck. Number 9. 1977 GMC 3500, price $5,000, 2WD truck equipped with a 454 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. However, the vehicle currently does not have an engine installed. The original motor was damaged after running old, gummy fuel, which caused the valves to stick and the camshaft to fail. This truck features a stunning brown exterior paired with a tan interior, which remains in impressive condition for its age, only showing a few minor rips on the seat. The right front fender has the usual rust found on these models, while the driver's side fender is in relatively better shape. One of the standout features of this GMC 3500 is its remarkably well-preserved original bed and tailgate, which are among the nicest examples found on trucks of this era. Number 10. 1972 Ford F250, price $6,000. It has 182,000 miles with an automatic transmission, a yellow exterior, white interior, and runs on gasoline, powered by a 390 V8 engine with about 32,000 miles since rebuild. It was originally a 360-2V but upgraded to a 394V with a Carter AFB carburetor and RV camshaft, giving it extra power and smooth performance. Originally purchased in 1973 from Carner Ford in Cottage Grove, Oregon, the truck stayed in the same family ever since. For the past 25 years, it's seen light use, under 500 miles per year, mainly hauling small loads. Since 2020, it's been stored in a heated warehouse, started regularly, and well maintained.